This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2022 Dodge Ram cabin air filter, only ways. Open the glove box fully, squeeze the sides to release the stops, and let it drop gently to access the filter housing. Remove the housing cover clips, slide out the old filter, and inspect the compartment for debris. Use a damp cloth to clean the cavity before inserting the new filter with airflow arrows pointing inward. Start by clearing the glove box of contents so it can fold down easily and you have clear access. Squeeze the glove box side panels to disengage the stops and lower the box fully. Locate the rectangular filter housing, unclip the cover with steady pressure, and slide the old filter straight out while keeping it level to avoid scattering debris into the HVAC intake or cabin. Hold the replacement filter so the airflow arrow points toward the cabin and away from the engine compartment. Slide the filter into the housing evenly until it seats fully, then press the housing cover back into place until all clips engage. Raise the glove box gently, guide the side stops back into their slots, and test the glove box closure. Run the fan on high briefly to confirm airflow feels clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.